Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have some studio lights.
ESDDI Softbox made by ESDDI. Go ahead and unbox that, Annalisa. There you go. Now very gently pull them out. Now be careful, I'm sure those are the bulbs. Be careful. Yep, bulbs. Anything else in there? Oh! Alright, go ahead and set that box aside. Okay, open some of that up. I'm sure that's a light stand.
Can we unwrap it?
Yeah, unwrap it. Nice. Check that out.
I don't want to mess with it. Do you want me to open this one, or it's the same thing?
Open up one of the black bags. Very carefully. And what that is a reflector, the softbox.
Do you want me to unroll it?
Yeah, go ahead. Let's take a peek at it.
How does this open?
Alright, so you know what? I think we're going to have to move the table, set up the light stand, and we will set up these lights. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. We got the light stands set up. This is what they look like. Nice and sturdy. Now, we're going to go ahead and put the soft boxes on. And
Can we get the other one?
hang on. Sure, you want to get the other one? Go
Yes.
ahead. That just snaps right in place. We're going to screw that in onto the light stand.
How do you open it?
Just like an umbrella, just folds out and kind of snaps in place. Come back.
Huh?
You got it?
No. What do you do?
Yeah, just push it all the way.
I don't want to break it.
Just snaps right in place. Go ahead and screw that in. Let me get the light bulbs out.
Where do I screw it in?
And it's cool, the light stands have these nylon bags to keep them in. We have our bulb here.
How do you screw it?
Just gonna screw it right in clockwise. All right. You got that?
No, how do you do it?
Here, you untangle the cord.
Let me watch. I tried that, it just fell.
There we go. Let me get the other bulb. Alright, got the other bulb. Gonna screw that right in. Now we have some covers to put on them. Can you open the other one?
Where is it?
Now these are Velcro. Now this is diffusion. It's going to make the light nice and soft and even spread. And it just goes over each corner. You'll find some Velcro in there. On the side, just stick it. And it's got Velcro right here on the side. Okay, I'm going to grab an extension cord. Reach.
Oh.
And the switch was already on. It has a light switch here.
Where?
You can turn them on and off. Let me check the exposure here. So this is what the soft boxes look like. They put out a good amount of light. Now what we're going to do is the lights that we have on the set right now, we're going to switch them out with these. So Annalise is going to be sitting back at the table and the light source will be from these soft boxes. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. We have the SD soft boxes set up. Two soft boxes, one a little farther back than the other. And they are set up on Annalisa. So this is what the lights would look like. Nice soft lighting, get rid of harsh shadows. Now for our needs, these are perfect. We shoot a lot of indoor videos, and the only thing different from our previous setup is we had an overhead light which adds light to the backdrop and light to her hair. So that's the only difference, but these will come in handy for more controlled lighting in our YouTube setups. We will put a link in the description below where you may purchase the SD softboxes on Amazon.
Thanks guys for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching.